truck show crunch without some crap going down. So of course my truck, well, it's 9 p.m. on Monday, and tomorrow, which is Tuesday, we leave maybe around noon. Oops. That's supposed to be the plan, which noon means at least 2, but it's not running yet from the turbo going bad and the CB4 and everything like that. Not only that, like I said, it's 9 p.m. on Monday. We leave tomorrow. I love the frogs. We have lots of frogs. Squirrel. But we have lots of frogs, and they're freaking huge. But they eat the bugs, so I love them. But the Razor is just getting a little bit of maintenance, so we're good on that. But the Suburban, something's missing. So JC has just been, you know, welding up the rear end before we leave. How do you feel about that?
Gotta move from brackets backwards so it's not flipping over. Looks like a squat pickup.
Yeah, I was squatting for sure. All right, guys, so like I said in the last video, we are switching up the wheels, last minute surprise, and this is the reveal. So take your guesses now. Hi, Vega. Hi, Veggie. She says, Mom.
She says, I want to come on the video.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the baby girl. Oh, you say hi? You say hi to the vlog. Open and there's Gunny Boy. They're excited as well. So yeah, make your guesses in the comments and we're getting ready to go. Let's
I'm Craig.
Who do you work with, man? Hello.
JTX. I don't know. I didn't come prepared for this.
It's okay.
So it's like
Nobody's
9:30.
prepared.
Lacey hit me up like, hey, we're almost done with the truck, so get over here. We're going to shoot it.
And so you're here at almost 11 o'clock at night.
Yeah, because it's Daytona Crunch, and you got to be ready.
Like, okay.
Okay.
Try starting one more time. Nope. Alright, cats had to watch her own pressure on. Injector control pressure too low.
What's up?
There's no fuel leaking. I pulled the return. Oh,
So in the middle of chaos, we now have a teepee for the dogs at 2 a.m. at a time. That looks tedious to put together.
it can't be that bad. There's only like 75 pieces of wood here. I mean, look at the picture. If Indians can do it, I can do it. My grandma
Not
came off an Indian
usable.
reservation. Yes,
Oh,
it
okay,
is.
okay.
Go. This is Gunner's, not yours.
You know what? I wish you kept the same energy about my racks for Daytona because they've been sitting in
Babe,
the box.
I'll put them mugs together tonight. You know,
You know.
Energy.
3-4. It's Gunner's TP.
Our eyes.
Gunner, this is yours.
They're excited. Look, Vegas excited.
They're literally so excited.
Gunner knows.
But yeah.
Loop the ropes through the holes in the top drill.
Can build trucks and powder coat, but can't read instructions.
Hell no. Instructions are last resort. If you can't figure it out, this ain't gonna leak. You gotta spread these some bitches out.
I'm trying to prove the shit.
Come here.
Oh.
Gunner, come here.
Look, there's a pocket for your books. Maybe if Chevelle goes in there, Gunner will go in there.
Should I go in the tent?
Chevelle getting the TP.
She's not a dog. Louisa, Chevelle, go in the tent. Go sit down in the tent. Maybe Gunnar will go in there with you.
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure about it.
What? Alright. You want me to tell what happened?
Yeah, sure. Oh, yes.
Excuse me, I'm super tired is what it is. Apparently I overlooked one of the feed lines to the CP4, so it was losing pressure. Actually be a feed line to the injector rail. I'm tired, don't mind me. But anyways, I accidentally left it a little bit loose, so we were losing prime. We was losing a little bit of fuel coming out, so that's why I did not start earlier. But tore it all back apart just so we could do this.
Yes! Success! She's alive!